Schedules are created for function numbers to set up closed and open times, exceptions, and how calls will route at these times. Now NZ will configure your schedules as part of the initial setup of your system. You also have the ability to adjust these settings. To do so, click on Function Numbers. Then select Schedules. Select the function number you would like to alter the schedule for. I am going to click on the mainline function number. You can see here we have the name of the schedule, the duration, then the action of whether it is open, closed, which will play the selected prompt then hang up on the caller, or forward, which will play the selected prompt then forward the caller to the number entered in the forward section. This could be a voicemail box. The system reads the schedules from top to bottom and will try to find a match. Anytime the system cannot find a match, it will revert to the default schedule event, which will forward the calls to the night voicemail box. You will find schedules much like the day mode here. You can select a schedule to edit. You can alter the frequency of the schedule from the drop-down box, and then update the corresponding criteria for that frequency. As an example, if per week is selected, then we can select the days of the week that the schedule is active by clicking on them. You can also tick the boxes to select, and then enter the start date and time, and end date and time for this schedule, if applicable. If you would like the schedule to have a prompt, you can choose from the list of default prompts using the prompt drop-down. You can also listen to the prompt using the play button, and to stop, press the pause button. Alternatively, you can select the Add New Prompt link to upload a recorded prompt. Enter the prompt name, then the prompt description, and select the Choose File button, and find and open the prompt you would like for this schedule. Click on the Save button to save the prompt. Note, you can also record a new prompt from within the portal. Please see the Voice Prompts training segment for instructions. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you can choose the action for this schedule. The options are open, closed, and forward. If you select forward, you will need to enter the number you would like to forward calls to when the schedule is active. Click on the Save button to save the schedule. To add in a holiday schedule, click on the Add New Schedule Event option. Enter the name of the event. Then select the frequency of the schedule from the drop-down box, and then update the corresponding criteria for that frequency. As an example, if every year is selected, then we can select the from and to date and time. You can also set the end time for this schedule. If you would like this schedule to have a prompt, you can choose from the list of default prompts using the prompt drop-down. Alternatively, you can select the Add New Prompt link and follow the steps that we went through previously. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you can choose the action for this schedule. If you select Forward, you will need to enter the number you would like to forward calls to when the schedule is active. Click on the Save button to save the schedule.